it's a privilege to be here at one of the most renowned brand that has come to Goa. They come every year, and I myself, I am so awed by their collection. Such pretty good collection. I myself have not seen in Goa, and this is something you really need to come and see. Also avail the special discount that they have come up with at this exhibition. If not Panjim, if you can't make it to Panjim, they are there till Monday, but you can make it to Margao. But it's a must visit since it's Diwali. Everybody is in a festive mood, buying something good, gold Lakshmi at their house. So this would be a very exquisite, beautiful collection that you should definitely at least have a look at it, and I guarantee you, you will be awed by the collection they have it here.
We are from Krishniah Chetty group of jewelers. Our jewelry exhibition is starting in Goa from today, that is 10th of October. Till 13th of October we are at Hotel Fidalgo, Panjim, and then 15th and 16th October we are doing in Margao Hotel Nanutel. Also giving a very good offer this time in Goa. We are giving 2% off for silver, 4% for gold, 6% for diamond, and 9% for diamond jewelry over 18.69 lakhs. So we request people of Goa to please come and make use of this wonderful opportunity and the collections which especially we have brought for people of Goa. I'm sure they will like it.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.